And now, a lot of scribbling over here. Dense scribbling. Scribbling in a dense fashion. Mostly just paint stuff and stuff. I'll print stuff out in color. I read that already. Oh, ukulele worship. Awesome. We have been streamer friends for a very long time. And when I say very long, I mean for 3 years. I'm guessing it's been about 3 years. Hold on here. A beard doesn't go that far. What am I smoking? What have I been drinking? Alright, here's the hairline. More hair. Not as much hair as his friend, but hair nonetheless. Not as much scribbling. So you put the dense scribbles on the top, on the bottom rather, and then the light scribbling on the top, because that's how shadows work. Now, just to prove that I can draw straight lines, let's see what it looks like without the pencils. Without the pencils. I think this jawbone doesn't go that far. It should be going. The jawbone is going to point towards the ear, and there you go. That's where it should point to. And let's work on the rest of make this part dark. So I started this project approximately 4 years ago. Almost exactly 4 years ago. It was April of 2020, during the height of the pandemic, during the what in the world is happening here part of the pandemic. Never been through this. What program to use? It is Clip Studio, CSP, Clip Studio Pro, Clip Studio Paint rather. I like it a lot better than I tried Photoshop. The brush, the brush quality is what I like best about Clip Studio Pro. So I met a bunch of comic book artists back in 2020 when we were all at home, and I was watching stuff on YouTube back then. I didn't know anything about Twitch back then. And they were all using Clip Studio Pro, so I said, okay. I was using a sketchbook back then. The old-fashioned sketchbook with pen and paper, pencil and paper, rather. Procreate. I have tried Procreate. I don't know. I just like the way that I just like this better. I'm glad that you like Procreate. I'm glad it works for you. I'm not going to be a purist. I'm not going to be a us versus them kind of a guy. I do know people who like Procreate because of the fact that it is vector instead of what's the vector versus I forget what you call the other alternative. Vector versus okay, it's going to come to me in my sleep. When I'm not trying to think about it is when it's going to come to me. So, all right, you have to go. Thank you very much for stopping in. Thank you for the follow. Next time I'll see you, hopefully I'll be coloring these pages. Weird that the microphone didn't work today, right from the jump. Oh, there was an update. I did go through OBS update, so I did accept that update. So maybe that's what happened.